Hello everyone. Hello. Wave your hands. Wave your hands and say hello. Yes, very good. Again, wave your hands and say hello. Yes, very good. So yes, I'm here again to meet you, to say hello to you and with some interesting activity for you. Okay, I'm sure you will participate with me, you will talk with me, you will listen to me, and you'll just follow my instruction. Okay, so yes, today I'm here with a new sound. All right, so last week we did ah, ah, ah. Letter A says ah, ah, ah. Now today we are going to do a revision of new letter that we have already done in our class. Okay, this is letter B. Okay, letter B. And do you remember the sound of letter B? Do you all remember the sound? Try. I'll give you a hint. Okay. Yes, try. Okay, I can hear you all saying B, B, B. Very good. Letter B says, do the action. Do namaste. Very good. Make a bat. B, B, B. Let's do it together, okay? I'm watching you. I'm watching you whether you are doing or not. B, B, B. Okay, that's wonderful. Super. Okay, so let's, before starting the new sound, let's do one interesting activity. Let's do a brain gym. Okay, so let's do a exercise of our brain. Okay, so yes, show me your palm. Show me your palm. Very good. Okay, so one palm will be facing towards your face, and another palm will say stop. Okay, all right, so one you'll pretend as if you are looking at the mirror. This is a mirror. Okay, and another palm will say stop. Okay, so the brain gym are very important for your brain. Okay, it'll help you to concentrate, to stay focused on the task, to be smart. Okay, so let's do it together. Are you all ready? Great. Now chains. One hand mirror, another hand stop. Chains. Very good. Chains. Good job. Chains. Yes, I can see you all doing with me. Are you all enjoying? Focus on the task. Focus on the task. Focus on the task. Focus on the task. Very good. Okay, so yes, that was the brain gym. So now let's move on to the sound. Okay, so this is letter B, and letter B says ba. Let's sing a song. Okay, so the song is bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba. Yes, please sing along with me. I don't hear you all singing with me. Are you all singing? Okay, so yes, bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Let's go to the park and play. Let's bring our ball. Let's bring our bat. Let's go together in the park and play. Let's have fun. The rhyme is all about going to the park, taking your ball, taking your bat, and playing with your family. Okay, yes. So this is letter B, and letter B says ba. So let me show you a few items that has beginning sound ba. Okay, what is this? Guess. What is this? This is a ball. Ba, ball. Ba, ball. Look here. Yes, repeat after me. Please repeat after me. It is very important for you to speak up. Okay, don't just watch and look at me. You have to speak up also. Yes, this is a ball. Ba, ball. Ba, ball. Very good. Now next is, do you have this in your house? Do you have this in your house? Yes. If yes, give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up if you have this in your house. Okay, you all have this. Okay, so can you name it? What is this? What is this? Okay, great. Yes, this is a bat. bat. Repeat after me. B, b, bat. B, b, bat. Okay, great. Very good. Now next is, okay, what is this? You always bring this along with you, when you come to school. Yes, this is a bag. This is a bag. B, bag. See? B, bag. B, bag. Yes, when we say bag, we hear b sound at the beginning, right? Okay, so let's move on to the last picture for today. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, so which fruit is this? Let me bring a little closer. Okay, yes, that's correct. It's a banana. Okay, bananas. Many bananas. One banana. Okay, so banana. Banana. When we say banana, we hear which sound? Which sound do we hear when we say banana? B. Yes, great. Okay, so let me show you all the pictures. Now I will be very quiet. I will lock my mouth. You have to tell me. Okay, and how you are going to tell me? You are going to tell me bag, bat, ball, banana. All right. Okay, so what is this? Great. Bag. Thank you. It's your turn. What is this? Good job. Bat. And ball also. There's one tiny ball. What is this? Wonderful. Ball. Very good. Very good. I'm liking it so much. What is this? Banana. Very good. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. That was awesome. So this much for today. Now let's sing bye-bye song and let's leave. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Stay home. Stay with family. Stay safe. Stay home. Stay with family. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.